In this short video, we're going to show you how to set up your website to use the Sellers Bay app and show you how easy it is to do. So basically, you log into your WordPress website, and on the left side you should see WooCommerce if you've got that installed. If you don't, then you'll have to install that first, which is very easy. You just go to plugins, and then let me show you. Just go to plugins and then add plugin, and then search for WooCommerce. And then you just install and activate. It takes about 2 minutes. Once that's done, just come back over here to WooCommerce, go down to settings, come over here to advanced, click on REST API, and then create API key. In here you can just enter Sellers Bay app, or you can enter anything you want that describes it. For permissions, make sure you select read write, and then all you do is just click this generate API key. Once you have these two keys, you would go to the login page of the app, register if you haven't registered already, and if you've already registered, you log in. That will take you to this page. It's a very basic, easy to use interface. Just click on the Connect Store, WooCommerce, and then you enter your website, which in our case is Rovo SEO. That's just another website we own. And then you would enter your keys from this page. Just copy, paste the consumer key, and then copy and paste the secret. And then click this Connect Store button. Okay, so now you are fully connected via API. So you can go over here, click on Dashboard, click on WooCommerce Dashboard, and then Import Products. And that's going to import your categories first. The reason it does that is so you can filter by whatever categories you want to work with. You can use keyword search. You can go by SEO scores later when they're imported. So basically you would, in this case I'm going to select all because these are just test products. I don't have that many in there. If you have tens of thousands of products, then you want to maybe start with a category or a keyword that you want to filter by. You would have to select the actual category, not keyword. So if you just wanted to work on bags, for example, just select that. But in this case, I'm selecting all. Then click the Download Products in Selected Categories button here. And then that's going to download all your products that you selected. Just wait for that. There's not many in this, so it won't take long. If you have a lot of products, obviously this will take a while, so just go get yourself a coffee. This will be done in a second. Okay, so now it gives you a list of what was downloaded. Now you've got all your products here so that you can sort them and work on individual categories at one time. And the reason you do this is these have not been fully imported yet. So you can filter them and only select the ones you want to work with at this time. We have a built-in SEO status, so you can filter the products that need the most work. Let's see, like here, these have already been, a lot of these have been optimized already. But you can then select all right here, or you can import individually. You just click this blue button. That's going to import the products you selected, and you'll see this green flashing button. That is for the main dashboard for WooCommerce. Just click that, and you'll notice that those 4 products have moved to this page, which is the actual WooCommerce dashboard where you do the AI conversions optimizations.